guys, welcome back to Save Farm Project TV. I'm here today with another small Dollar Tree haul. Some things that I needed to get that I was lacking on for some things that will be coming up, and some things that I needed. I also got some more fall decors. I seen they had some more selections out, so I end up getting that. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I got, with everything of what I got. And also, if you're new to the channel, we welcome you to the family. Please also subscribe, share this channel, share this video with your family, friends, like, comment down below. I love to read and see what you guys say. So yes, let's get into this video. First, we're gonna start with some more fall decor that I have picked up. They had a little bit more selection, so I ended up getting a couple of things on that. So one of them was these beautiful signs. I got 3 signs, 2 of them the same kind. It says grateful, thankful, and blessed. So that's how that look, and they're attached with this little brownish ribbon. How the back looks on that. So I was excited about that. I picked up 2 of those here. So these were something new that I have seen that I didn't see before. Also, for another fall sign, I picked up this square one. It says thankful, same as those signs. Thankful, blessed, and grateful. Well, thankful, grateful, and blessed. And they have the pumpkins, the fall leaves, another pumpkin, different type of leaves here. Then the letters are in glitter, so I love that. So I did pick that up. They had a lot of scarecrows out as well, but I didn't get any of those. They had a lot of signs out. They had a good variety out this time, so a lot of people did come and get, but they still had a good amount out. So that is the fall decor, the extra fall decor I have picked up. Alright, next I'll be going on to the crafting things I have found. I was so glad to see that they had back the adhesive diamond wrap 7 foot. This time I was able to get the diamond, the clear diamond ones. So I grabbed all of those. I've got, and they also 7 feet, 37 inches by 7 feet. They're good for scrapbooks, gift bowls, crafts, and decorating. So I love, you were seeing a lot of these in my crafts coming up. So I end up, then I also got the light pink one. That is the clear one, and that is the light pink one. So I end up getting, I got, let's see, 3 of the light pinks. One of them right here. So then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of the diamond ones, and 3 of the pink ones. And they also, they comes like with a adhesive back to them, so you just pull the paper, then stick them onto what you want them to be on. I also found in the crafting section, they have the glitter paper with the adhesive back on them as well. So this one is how they look in the pack. So you get 3 colors. I end up picking up 2 packs of those. And in the pack, let's open them up so we can see what colors we was able to get in these. So we was able to get the pink, the gold, yellowish gold. We got 4. Orange, and then, well, no, 3. It was 3. So the orange, the gold, and the pink. It was aiming those. And the glitter do not come off your hand. It kind of feel like a sandpaper, but not as rough as a sandpaper. You can feel the texture that's on it, and so it's also adhesive. So I'm excited about that. You'll be seeing a video using these coming soon. And that is it on the crafting things that I got. Next I found some gel fingernail polish. This is my first time seeing the gel fingernail polish at Dollar Tree. They was almost out of them. I was able to get 3 of them. So let me show you guys those. This is by the brand Kiss Gel Shine nail polish. So I was able to get this silver sparkly kind here. And then I also got the clear gel polish by Kiss as well. So it's a big size too that you get. And then I also got the gold gel fingernail polish by Kiss as well. So I'm super excited about that. Let's see what it said. Got like a little tab here you can pull back. Oh, nothing. I thought it had something else on it. But yeah, so I was super excited about finding these 3. They had red and a turquoise color, but I didn't get those. I just grabbed up those. Then on to, I'm able to find, there's a travel pack antibacterial wet wipes. They was limited to 1 per customer, so they get 40. So check out your Dollar Tree and see if you guys, Dollar Tree, have them. They was up front by the register. She was telling me that you only can get 1 per customer. So I grabbed up one of those for the vehicle. And then I also picked up a 8-pack of individual wrapped tissue paper. So you get 8 in a pack. So I also picked those up. These will come in handy. Keep them in, throw them in your purse, in your bag, in your diaper bag, the kids' book bags, in your car. So these come in handy. Then also I picked up these 2 drinks that I have got. Well, they're the same kind. These will be actually 2 for 1 deal. So I will explain to you what I mean on that. If you like iced coffee, these are so good. This is the caramel flavor. They also have the mocha flavor. Actually, this is an iced latte. But they also have the mocha flavor, caramel, vanilla, and raspberry, dark raspberry, or something like that. And the flavors, so I picked up 2 of the caramel ones, and these also glass. So you'll be seeing a DIY on using these glass bottles. So stay tuned with that. These will be coming up soon. So this is what I meant by 2 in 1 deal. Get the drink in, I get to use it over. Of course, when I get done with it, I take the clear wrapper out with a sticker off of it, and then I wash and sanitize them really good. So they'll be excited for that. You can use those as a flower vase, put in different, maybe you have a pencil holder or makeup brushes. You can dazzle it up, spray paint them, do all type of things. So you'll be seeing a video using those bottles coming up soon. And on to the food. I end up picking up 2 packs of the Pop-Tarts. One is the frosted strawberries. Comes 8 in a pack. These are really good. And then also the brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts. These were $1 there, but you can get these at Walmart for a little bit cheaper, like 90 something cents. But yeah, I like those. And then I also end up picking up the cranberry flavored juice drink. I got the regular cranberry, and then the cranberry apple is on the other side of the table. So I end up picking up 2 of those. So that is everything that I end up getting on this haul. Like I said, it was just a small haul. Just wanted to come on and show you guys what I picked up, what I got, some of the things that I have found, some of the things that your Dollar Tree may have. If you go and was able to find some of these things, comment below. Let us know what your Dollar Tree have. That might be helpful or useful to someone else. They may can go and look and find. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video with your family and friends, and we will see you next time. Remember, stay blessed, stay safe, stay. So until next time, have a blessed day. Remember, I love you with the love of God. Until next time.